equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 316 IRU8. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you access the internal components safely and effectively. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power. Next, remove the back panel. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you find it difficult, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Now that you have access to the internals, let's focus on cleaning. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and performance issues. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. Hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. This step is vital for maintaining optimal airflow. Next, check the RAM and storage drives. If you're comfortable, you can remove and reseat the RAM modules. This can help improve performance if they've become loose over time. Again, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. After cleaning and reseating components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the threads. Now, let's discuss software maintenance. Regularly updating your operating system and drivers is crucial for performance and security. Check for updates in the settings menu and install them as needed. This will help keep your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 running smoothly. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make informed decisions about your laptop's maintenance. Finally, remember to perform this maintenance every few months to keep your laptop in top shape. Regular cleaning and updates can significantly extend the life of your device. Thank you for following along with this maintenance guide for your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 316 IRU8. Happy computing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.